Welcome back. Time now for the business day. The Caribbean's reliance on tourism and its narrow export base is causing concerns about the region's vulnerability to global economic shocks. Speaking at the second Wider Caribbean Regional Risk Conference recently, Acting Vice President of Corporate Services at the Caribbean Development Bank, Ian Durant, cautioned that limited export diversity across the region creates severe exposure to global economic challenges.
These are small, open economies with no reserve currency, so ultimately, the ebbs and flows of growth will depend on what happens to our foreign exchange earning sectors, so that the limited diversity that exists as far as our export mix is concerned results in an acute vulnerability. And moreover, the dependence on tourism, which is a very elastic product, responding to practically everything in significant fashion, means that when there are troughs, those troughs are extremely deep.
To reduce these risks, Mr. Durant underscored the need for improved regional competitiveness to enable export diversification.
Yes. And in practical terms, what does competitiveness mean? Really, it means that it's about the ability of a country's producers to get products into export markets at a price that competes, a quality that consumers and regulators require, and a reliability that meets market demand.
According to Mr. Durant, tourism accounts for more than half of the foreign exchange earnings in 5 of CDB's 19 borrowing member countries, while another 7 nations are seeing tourism contribute to over 30% of their foreign exchange. The JSE index declined by 1,123 points, while the junior market index declined by 17 points. The winners included Cygnus Credit Investments 8.50% preference shares, Sagicor Real Estate X Fund, Jamaica Public Service 7%, Cargo Handlers, and Express Catering. The losers included Sterling Investments, Jamaica Producers Group, Fosrich Company, Berger Pinch Jamaica, and The Lab. 25 stocks traded firm. And foreign exchange trading ended with banks and cambios selling the US dollar for an average $161.48. The Canadian dollar is being sold for $117.24. The pound is going for $219.03, while the euro is selling for an average $192.18. And that's the business day. News from overseas after the break.